EDM group LZ7 hopes to bring the world together, and they're getting some help from legendary DJ Paul Oakenfold on a new club banger. Now, more than ever, the world needs a little bit of togetherness. With the ongoing pandemic, increasing political strife, racial tension, economic anxiety, and divisive views on the growing climate change threat, now is the hour of unity, and the first step towards this goal will be taken on the dance floor. Enter LZ7, the Manchester-based EDM group. After releasing a slew of singles during the COVID-19 lockdown months, the band has returned for Together. Premiering here on HollywoodLife, Together sees LZ7 imagine how beautiful the great big world could be if we all came together. That same energy can be found in the accompanying music video, a gravity-defying experience that sees the band come together, albeit at a social distance, to celebrate what's possible when divisions are forgotten. LZ7 middle dot together. Helping the band deliver this message is the Grammy Award-winning and 2X DJ Magazine #1 DJ in the world, Paul Oakenfold. Together arrives packaged as an EP featuring both the original song and remixes by the DJ icon, which checks something off of LZ7's bucket list. Teaming up with a legend like Paul Oakenfold is a pinnacle moment for the LZ7 squad, group leader Linz West shares with HollywoodLife. We have been at numerous festivals watching Paul doing what he does best. To collaborate with him is a big honor on our new single Together. Related gallery. HollywoodLife 2019 music exclusives, see pics. The huge heartfelt sentiment in the original is just brought to life by the Oakenfold remix, adds West. Cannot wait to see dance floors filled with this anthem as we start to get back together in clubs, festivals, and live shows all over. What more do we want than to be together? Oakenfold shared that he was also really happy with this remix, and it's been getting a great reaction every time I play it out. LZ7 hit a new level of success and creativity in 2019 with their electronic pop album, These Are Better Days. During the darker moments of the lockdown, the group reached out to help lift their fans' spirits with a series of singles. The group put out Peace and Love in June, with a video that featured their fan base dancing along with the new track. They followed it up with Free Falling, Family, Amazing Grace, Church Boy, Sound of the Weekend, Won't Run Out, Getting Wild, and a slew of remixes. They kept the momentum going with the release of Only Hope earlier in 2021. With clubs opening up and greater rollout of vaccinations against the COVID-19 virus, it won't be long before everyone comes together to dance to LZ7's new music in person.